Hello and welcome back dear subscribers. Today in this video we are going to talk about finding maximum of three values using conditional operator. And I hope you are aware about operator. If not, we will provide this concept in the tutorial series of C basic concept. So please keep on checking the video playlist. You will find everything. And in this playlist, we are talking about multiple C programming basic questions. So if you watch all this video under this playlist, you will be one basic expert of the C programming. So let me also show you that syllabus very quick so you can get to know what are those questions. Okay dear, so these are the syllabus under playlist C programming basic lab capsule. So you can see there is module wise we have divided. So we have already provided this solution up to this, and now we are working on this question in this video, and in upcoming video all this solution will be provided one by one with concept and everything, and the code used in this video will be provided on the Codec website, and link will be available in video description as well as pinned comment. At end of the video we will also conduct some at end of this playlist, we will also conduct some series of the examination for your better understanding and conceptual wise understanding and improvement. Okay dear, so if you have any other question related to any programming, then let us know. We will provide solution on that and help you out for better understanding. Now, without any wasting time, let us go and discuss about the mentioned entitled question in this video. So here we have to find a maximum of three values using conditional operator. So what is that conditional operator? Conditional operator actually, let me give a little description. Conditional operator will check that given condition is true or not. So here will be condition, they will check condition is true or not. If true, it will return true value. It will return true value, else it will return false value. So this is conditional operator. So for checking variable like value of the maximum value of three variables, so we do that accordingly using this conditional operator. A little bit tricky, so I will discuss also that. Let's do this. So here I will do like user input. So I hope you are now at good position to understand user input. So now I am using user input. A, B, C, three variable we have, and now we are telling user in one line itself we are telling. Now we are also combining it as a single line. So enter A, B and C value. So we are telling user to enter A, B and C value. Now we are scanning those values. So if you are getting any confusion on this, let us know. We will provide detailed video on that, and definitely we are going to discuss this in detail when we will provide a video series on basic concept of C programming. So percentile D I used to read these three integer types. Okay, so we can use multiple reading using one like scanf. So that way now we are moving slowly, we will move towards a little bit advancement or a little bit like more good looking type of coding. So we will add one by one improvement in the upcoming video. So it will be easy for to digest you and get the concept. So now we will print value and see what are those values. So let's see, A value is how much, okay, and B value is how much, right, and D value is how much, sorry, C value is how much, So everything we are printing here A, B and C value. So let me show you up to this only we are doing codec reading or not and printing is or not, and then after we will move towards the code that particular intended entitlement video code. Okay, so this is A value 2. So by using a space you can enter different value in a single line. So you can see A value is 2, B value is 8 and C value is 32. So it is working perfect as of now. Now we are going to do that conditional thing. So how we can do that? We have to check and return this value. Okay. So we have to let do that. That is fine up to this. Now we are going to do printf, and we are going to do maximum. So let's make it very clear. So we use double quotation inside that. Maximum value among, what are those? Among percentile D. I am just making it more readable. Percentile D. So A, B and C is percentile D. So guys, as soon as we will print, you will understand why I have written like that. So A, B, C, and fourth specifier we also did one more variable. So let's declare max for printing, storing max variable maximum. So that will be max. So what will be the max? So max will be what? So it will check. First, using conditional operator, it will check A is greater than B. It will check. It will ask question. If A is greater than B, then what it will check? So it should check if A is also greater than C. And again, if A is greater than C, it will check. If it is greater than, then it will return, okay, A is the maximum. Otherwise, it will return C. Do understand it one by one. So in this first, check this. So it will check A is greater than B. If A, then it will go and check if A is also greater than C. If A, then it will return A. Otherwise, it will return C. Means that is the flow. You can do using pen and paper for better understanding. So it is true condition is true. If not true, then it will check. So if A is not greater than B, then of course that B should be greater. So if B is greater, then we will check the B is also greater than C. We will check. If not, then it will if it will check B is greater than C. So if yes, then it will return B, else it will return C. So I hope you are clear with it. Please, using pen and paper, try this. You can definitely do this, and this is the format we are using. So you take help of it and this, and try to sort out. If you have any issue, then let us know. Definitely I will be helping out. I will provide one more detailed video on that, and definitely this video is however going to come under C programming theory concept series. So we will discuss all the operator, not only this arithmetic operator, conditional operator, each and every operator we will discuss. So now let's run and see. So we are giving, it is asking enter A, B, C value. Let's assume A value is 2, B value is 58 and C value is 6. So now it is telling A, B, C value is this, and now maximum value among 2, 58 and 6 is 58, right? So we will also check negative value. Let's see. So -8, -5, -99. So which will be maximum? So as it is negative, the less number which is having negative, that will be maximum. So -5 should be maximum. So it is returning -5 is the maximum. So this is all about this programming, and if you have any doubt on this, then please let us know in the comment section. Definitely I will provide detailed video on that, and so you can understand it better way. And if you are really finding this video as useful, then please do subscribe the channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends, junior and senior, whoever interested in the program. If you have any question, then please let me know in the comment section. I will also provide solution over that. And guys, again I am reminding you that we are providing the code used in this video under the Codec Guru website. That link will be provided in the video description. And please, I am observing that you people are watching the video but not subscribing the channel. Then please do subscribe. You need not to pay anything. Then please do subscribe the channel at least. That will like increase our community and motivate us to like invest more to making more quality video. So it's all depend on you, how you are like also give some feedback, so we will do required improvement in the video. That's it guys, and thanks a lot for watching this video. Please have a good day. Happy learn.